Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Balram Prasad and I'm working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. So in this demo, we are going to create Microsoft Fabric workspace and then we are going to create a Lakehouse inside Fabric workspace. Once we are done with creation of Lakehouse, we are going to upload a file and then we are going to query using Lakehouse as well as SQL endpoint. Apart from that one, we will create a semantic model and then report out of that one and see how it works. So let's start. So for this demo, we are into Azure portal. And if we wanted to create Fabric from here, let's try. If we go to create a resource and search the Fabric, there is option comes. But this option is for Microsoft Fabric capacity. What capacity you want later. Right now, if we wanted to create from here, it says that hey, you cannot create capacity, Microsoft capacity using personal account. We have to use organization account instead of that. Main page, and we can start a free trial. Let's so this options gives that we can try Microsoft Fabric for 60 days. So let's try for free. And now we have to provide an email. And this should be organization email. So if I try to give that my email, let's submit this one. And this looks like personal email, so it does not work. So let's sign up with work email. We have created work email previously also. So I will use my work email and we can see that how we can set up a work email, another thing in another video. But basically I have another account created inside my AAD for all these purposes. So I can go and I can take my other account and I can provide that to another account. So I am Microsoft consumer. So it is going to say sign in, try use app instead. I'm going to upload from my authenticator app. Okay. So now it is asking for my phone number and other things. So I will provide that one. And then it is going to ask for this is the your username. Let's get started, right? So it does not bring us to Azure portal. It will bring us to Power BI portal. So right now, if we going to see this one also says that for premium per user license, let's try for free, right? So now it is going to set that our workspace is 60 days free pro trial. So let's start for trial. Once we are done with that, let's go with OneLake, and inside OneLake, now we can see that we do not have any content, right? So let's go and try to add content. And in this option we can see that we have multiple options for different personas, like data engineering personas. We can create lake house, we can create notebook, we can create environment, other things. For data factory we can create data flow gen 2, data pipeline. For data science related workload we can create ml model, we can experiment, we can write notebooks. For data warehousing we have tons of option, and the other option for real time intelligence and industry solution is provided with this one. We will go ahead and create with Lakehouse. So let's go ahead and create with Lakehouse. So now it is upgrading. We tried to say that okay, now it is preparing for all this. It is assigned a workspace for trial capacity and other things. So let's go ahead and click on OK. Now we can provide a lake house name. So I am going to provide a lake house name. Okay. And we are going to select this one also, lake house schemas, and we will see that. So now if we see that there are few options left side, we can see tables which is connected. If we create shortcut and other things, we will see how to create shortcut. We will upload some file and see. And for here, if we go in right side, we have couple of way to access this Lakehouse. Either default way where we are saying either using SQL endpoint way. So if we select that one, it will change to different endpoint and we can see that using SQL world. And we will see both options slowly. So let's go from Lakehouse way first. So now let's try to upload some data from upload file option. If we see, so now before we go ahead in more advanced option using shortcut and other things, let's upload a basic file and see how it looks like. I have a sales CSV where we have sales order and sales order details. We will use this data for that purpose. So let me upload this file. And so now in file section, we should be able to see that file. So we have this sales CSV file and we can see that same data is here, right? Now we can create a table from this one. So once we have this one, we can load to a new table. And if we go with this option, we can create a new table or load to existing table, right? So I'm going to create a new table from this place and schema will be DBO and table name will be source. And because we have seen our data which have first as a header, right? So we can use that one. And this is CSV, so comma separator is there. Let's see. So it is saying the successfully created sales table. We can go to sales table and it is going to preview that now. So we can see this data with all the details, column and other things using this view. If we wanted to see underlined file from this place, then we can see that, hey, view files, right? It is going to see. So what it did that it took that our CSV file, converted into Delta Parquet format and it uploaded into this place. So if you see this one, this is the Parquet format data available. And we have seen that when we can see the preview from this place also, and under the hood it is going to run that all the Parquet related query and pull that one. We can go to different way to see this one, which is SQL Analytics endpoints. So let's move to that one. And now if we wanted to see that one, what schema which we have, right? So now we have DBO schema, and inside DBO schema we can see that different tables which will be only one, and we can see and we can write the query from normal SQL world. So it is going to write the query for us and it is going to pull the data from us. We can write different query also from this option. If we go and write that query, we can run that query, whatever custom query we want to write, we can go ahead and write and that will work. Now if we wanted to do reporting also based on that, then we can change this to report and we can go ahead and create a new report. And let's continue. It is going to create a semantic model on behalf of us. So now we can see that our view is ready, and then we can see that left side we have table and other thing. We can drag and drop and select and see the reports if we need, depending upon our use cases, right? We can build good reports in Power BI and underlying data is into Fabric. So that we can give to our report a name. So with demo report. And if you see, we have Lakehouse, we have SQL endpoint, and then we have now report. Okay. And if we go inside back to our view, now if we refresh this view, it will have some more information, right? So we have Lakehouse, we have semantic model, and we have now endpoint. We can select this one and we will be able to see table in the semantic. We have this table, and if we see, this is being used into this report. So lineage is also there. So this is what I wanted to show you in this very basic demo of Fabric, how we can create a Fabric altogether, and how we can create a lake house, upload some data, and create a report. Now in the next videos, we will create more advanced thing, how to create shortcut from Azure storage or another data source which we have, or also we are going to see how we can connect with real-time data sets and other things, and we will see that one. I hope you like this video. If you do, please share and subscribe our channel and provide some comment. Thank you very much.